Here's a detailed summary of Monday.com Limited's Q3 FY2025 earnings call transcript, designed for clear and concise delivery. Introduction. Good day. We are here today to discuss Monday.com Limited's financial results for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us are co-CEOs Mann and Eran, Zinman, CFO Eliran Glazer, and CRO Casey George. Key financial metrics and performance. Revenue. Total revenue for Q3 FY2025 reached $317 million, marking a 26% increase year-over-year. Gross margin. The gross margin remains strong at 90%. Management expects this to remain in the high 80s range in the medium to long term. Profitability. Non-GAAP operating income achieved a record $47.5 million, a significant increase from $32.2 million in the prior year, resulting in a 15% operating margin. Non-GAAP net income reached a record $61.9 million, up from $45 million in Q3 FY2024. Diluted net income per share, a record $1.16. Customer growth. The company saw robust net additions, exceeding 100,000 plus new paying customers, bringing the total to over 500,000 plus. Net dollar retention, NDR. Overall NDR was 111% in Q3, a figure management expects to remain stable at 111% for the full fiscal year 2025. NDR for accounts over $50,000 in ARR also showed improvement. Free cash flow. Adjusted free cash flow was $92.3 million, with an adjusted free cash flow margin of 29%. Management's forecasts and future outlook. Full year FY2025 guidance. Revenue projected to be between $1.226 billion and $1.228 billion, representing approximately 26% year-over-year growth. Non-GAAP operating income expected between $167 million and $169 million, with an operating margin of approximately 14%. Adjusted free cash flow anticipated to be between $330 million and $334 million, yielding an adjusted free cash flow margin of approximately 27%. Long-term vision. The company remains firmly on track toward its Investor Day revenue target of $1.8 billion for FY2027. Management is confident in achieving this through accelerating customer expansion, continued innovation, and multi-product adoption. Headcount growth. Expected to grow headcount by approximately 30% in fiscal year 2025, with a projected deceleration to around 20% in fiscal year 2026, indicating a moderation in investment. Significant risk factors. While not explicitly detailed as risks in this section, the following points suggest areas of focus and potential challenges. Go-to-market transition. The pivot towards larger, mid-funnel opportunities and upmarket strategy involves longer sales cycles, which can impact short-term revenue recognition and lead to timing effects in results. Market volatility. Management acknowledged some choppiness in the market and customer decision-making taking longer due to macroeconomic uncertainties. Competition. While not explicitly stated, the rapid innovation in AI and the expanding product suite suggest a competitive landscape requiring continuous investment. Highlights of the quarter. Record profitability. Achieved record non-GAAP operating profit and net income. Strong customer growth. Significant net additions of paying customers. Upmarket momentum. Solid net additions among larger customers, and improved net dollar retention for accounts over $50,000 ARR. Multi-product strategy success. New products now account for over 10% of total ARR, surpassing the 2025 goal ahead of schedule. AI innovation and adoption. Rapid adoption of AI-powered products like Monday Campaigns and Monday Vibe, with customers creating over 60,000 apps. Introduction of Agent Factory and a new AI credit system. Successful events, high engagement, and strong pipeline generated from Investor Day and Elevate user conferences. RPO acceleration revealed an accelerating order and performance ratio, RPO, metric, reflecting the full contract value and upmarket success. Gross retention, historically high gross retention, improving from fiscal year 2023. Lowlights of the quarter, timing effects. In guidance, the guidance for Q4 and the full year reflects timing effects due to the rebalancing of investments towards higher ROI areas with longer sales cycles, leading to a less pronounced beat compared to prior quarters. This was a point of focus for analysts. Deferred revenue dynamics. Deferred revenue came in below recognized revenue, attributed to billings being cash-based and fluctuations, with RPO presented as a better measurement. Most important statements from management. CEO, Roy Mann and Eran Zinman Roy Mann. In Q3, we delivered another quarter of strong results and disciplined execution, putting us firmly on track toward our Investor Day revenue target of $1.8 billion for FY2027. We saw robust net additions of over 100K plus and 500K plus paying customers, reflecting the strength of our go-to-market engine and the expanding demand of our platform. We also reported our largest ever non-GAAP operating profit, reinforcing our ability to scale efficiently while continuing to invest in innovation. Eran Zinman. The investments we have made in our sales organization over the past year continue to drive strong results. We delivered solid net additions among larger customers, saw improved net dollar retention for accounts over $50,000 in ARR, and achieved accelerating growth, all reinforcing the effectiveness of our upmarket strategy and disciplined execution. On AI. Our new AI-powered Monday campaigns product has seen rapid adoption since its September launch, reinforcing our vision of a connected sales and marketing suite. And, with accelerating customer expansion, record profitability, and growing enthusiasm for our AI-powered platform, we are entering the next phase of durable profitable growth that will create meaningful long-term value for shareholders. On Vibe. Vibe is amazing. We see that customers are really leaning into it, and it is filling up a lot of gaps. And I feel like as a product, it triggers their imagination. CFO Eliran Glazer on revenue and profitability. Q3 was another strong quarter for Monday.com Limited, highlighted by solid revenue growth, supported by our success with larger customers and continued improvement in operational efficiency. Total revenue came in at $317 million, up 26% from the year-ago quarter. Operating income was a record $47.5 million in Q3, up from $32.2 million from the year-ago quarter, and operating margin was 15%. On guidance and timing effects. The more measurable bit is mostly due to timing effect. As we rebalance investments, our higher ROI area, they tend to have a longer sales cycle, but we see a very positive momentum when you look at the 50K customers, 100K customers, 500K customers. They are all accelerated in this quarter going into next year. So this provides us a lot of confidence with regards to our next year assumptions. On RPO. As a reminder, with regards to billings, we think a better measurement of this is an RPO. RPO is a new metric for us that we disclosed in the Investor Day. And as you see, it is accelerating quarter over quarter. And it also reflects the full contract value that we see going up market. On long-term confidence, we feel very confident with that. $1.8 billion by FY2027. We feel very confident with the number based on everything that we see today. On AI monetization, we are expecting some revenue from AI products, but as you said, it is going to be more moderate. but the impact of that can be on the retention of our existing customer base. This concludes the summary of Monday.com Limited's Q3 FY2025 earnings call.